Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to crochet a super cute puff flower. It's beginner-friendly, fun to make, and perfect for so many projects like headbands, bags, or even home decor. For this tutorial, I'm using medium weight 5-ply yarn, but you can totally use 4-ply too, no worries. A 2.5 millimeters crochet hook, yarn needle, and of course, a pair of scissors. So grab your supplies, get comfy, and let's start crocheting. Alright, first grab your white yarn, and we're going to start with a magic ring. If you're not sure how to do that, just wrap the yarn around 2 fingers to make a loop, insert your hook into the loop. Now, just pull the yarn through the loop using your hook. And chain 1 to lock it in. That's it. Now, into that ring, make 12 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once you've got your 12, pull the tail nice and tight so it closes up into a little circle. Now take your peach-colored yarn. This is where the fun starts. Find that first single crochet you made earlier, insert your hook there. Pull the peach yarn through that stitch. And through the loop on your hook. That joins the new color smoothly. Now we're going to make our very first puff stitch. Now go ahead and chain 3 to get started with a puff. Let's cut the white yarn before we move on. Okay, we're going to take it slow and go through each step together. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch. Pull up a loop. Now just pull the loop a little longer. Yarn over again. Pull through just 2 loops. Now hold the rest on your hook. We're going to do that 2 more times in the same stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch. Pull up a loop, just pull the loop a little longer. Yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the same space. Pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now you should have 4 loops on your hook. Don't worry if it looks a bit crowded. That's totally normal. Next, go into the next stitch and repeat that same motion 3 more times. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch. Pull up, yarn over, pull through 2. One last time, same steps. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. By now, you'll have 7 loops on your hook. Take your time with this part. Then, do a final yarn over and pull through all 7 loops in one go. Now make a chain of 3. And then slip stitch right into that same stitch. Gently push it out to make that puff nice and visible. And there you go. You just made your first puff stitch. Alright, let's start our second puff. First, chain 3. Then yarn over. Insert your hook into the next stitch. And pull up a loop. Yarn over again and pull through just 2 loops. Now hold the rest on your hook. We're going to do that 2 more times in the same stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. You should now have 4 loops on your hook. Now we're moving to the next stitch. Repeat the same thing 3 times. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2. And one last time, same steps. Yarn over, insert, pull up, yarn over, and pull through 2. By now, you should have 7 loops on your hook. Now yarn over one last time and pull through all 7 loops in one go. And then just chain 3. And slip stitch right into that same stitch to finish it off. That's your second puff done. Repeat the same process for the rest of your puffs. Alright, I'll show you the third puff too, just to make it extra clear. And there we go. Third puff is done. Alright, just keep it going. Make 3 more puffs using the same process. I'll meet you at the last one. Okay, now we're going to make the last puff. Almost there. Alright, now slip stitch into that same stitch and give it a little push so the puff pops up nice and clear. Then make a chain to finish it off. Cut the yarn So right now you'll notice the center hole's a bit big. No worries, just pull the yarn tail to close up that circle nice and tight. And just weave in the ends using a yarn needle. And you're done. And that's it. Your puff flower is all done. I hope you had fun making it with me. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more easy crochet tutorials. Got any questions or want to see more patterns like this? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.